Hey guys, in this video today, I'm going to be revealing this very powerful, extraordinary price action based indicator that will enable you to catch trades like this. So it's very simple, and this indicator was coded around break and retest. Okay, so basically, break and retest is simply price point where highs have been formed or lows have been formed, and the market sweeps them off, then comes back for a retest, then we take a trade. So that's what we all know, and that's how we know how to trade it. But now these candlesticks and the entire market itself, as you can see on this price chart here, there's a bunch of different levels, and we do not know which one precisely if to trade from if in case it breaks, right? Because not every level that breaks comes back for a sweet retest. Like we have a low here, when the market broke, it came back and just swiped it off. So we do not know as human beings which levels are perfect for a retest, right? So this indicator here helps you with that. It gives you accurate points like this one, as you can see. It selected this one out of all of these other options here because this one is the best and high probability level. And as you can see here, the price came back and perfectly bounced on it and went up. So I'm going to show you guys multiple examples. Then we jump right in and let me show you guys how to set your chart up for professional trading. So here's an example of an incredible trade that was taken using this strategy. And here you can see that this swing point here, this high was formed, then the market drifted away from it drastically. So the moment this area was broken, this indicator highlighted this area as a potential area that the market could bounce from. So we took a buy from here and it was successful. So let me take you guys through and some more examples before we jump right in, and let me show you guys how to work with this indicator. And this is yet another example where the market formed it low, broke it, and retested it. So this retest price action indicator is very accurate. Now, let's go on to step 2, how to set it up on our charts. So as you can all see, I have a clear chart. And for me to add this indicator, just go over to the indicator setting here, click on the indicator bar and search for retest, support, retest, support. Oh, the P, I missed the P. Retest, support, resistance signals. And this is it here by Chart Prime. Mark the name. So click on it once. Then we have it on a chart. So after clicking on it, you're going to give it a second to appear and do the calculations. So after doing the calculations, you can see the indicator automatically appeared here. So this R here stands for resistance. Okay, it stands for resistance, and the S stands for support. So we have our trade here. Oh, it doesn't even show S, it's RR. So when a green R appears, it's a buy. When the red R appears, it's a sell. Okay, so let me show you guys how to utilize this indicator the most effective way. So before anything, let's dive in and take a look at the settings of this indicator. So as you can see here, the indicator is pretty basic and there's nothing much to change on this indicator. As a matter of fact, we are not really going to change anything. However, you can see that there are other options here. So this is the detection mode. You can put the body if you want, but I suggest you leave it on the week. Okay. So for the left and the right bars, this you can put it to 40. However, if you do this, this indicator is going to produce fewer setups. So I suggest we leave it on 30 because if we put it on 40, it is going to produce us fewer setups. Okay. So 20 is perfect. Okay, so 6, we do not have much to change. Let us click OK and move over to the second part of this indicator. So to use this indicator, let us start first by doing some chart analysis. First, we have to look at the trend. Where's the market heading? And where are we going to with price, right? So in order for us to know that, we can look at the chart here and look at where the highs and the lows are. So if we have a series of lower highs and lower lows, then we have a downtrend. If we have a series of higher highs and higher lows, then it's an uptrend. But in this case, we have a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. And this is a downtrend. So in a market condition like this, we should be looking for sales. Okay. So let's turn on our indicator here and see what we got. We have some levels here highlighted. So now when price breaks below this level, of course, it breaks it with a few candles. And immediately this R forms with this big rejection here. So what you do is you grab on a sell here and you take this price down. Okay. You can as well hold the price all the way down here. Depends on you. As long as you know that this market is trending down and you're on a sell trade, you know you're on the right side of the market. Now let's keep pushing price further and see what happens. So immediately price took out these highs here. You know what's up. This is a change of character. And in a market condition like this, we now start looking for buys because the market sentiment has been swapped from bearish to bullish. Reason being that the highs here have been taken instead of the lows. So now we are looking for buy trades. Okay. Now the level has broken above and the indicator highlighted these areas here. Let's look at some key areas that this indicator highlighted in the past. Of course, you can see this area here. It's a bit noisy. This indicator is not 100% guaranteed, but it's still going to produce you a good number of winning trades. Okay. So of course, it's going to give you some messy signals, and these signals come very, very rarely. So now this is another example. Let's look at it. You can see the price here making high, a lower lows, consolidated here for a bit. Then the second it broke, this indicator highlighted this area. However, since we know that this market is bearish, we only want this market to sell, all right, until we see a major change of character. So right here, you can see another example where the market took out these lows, then a retest here happened. So if you're a scalper like myself, we're on the 5-minute time frame, you can take a quick sell here and take your money before any reversals. So right now, this is a change of character. The market took out these highs, leaving us in a bullish market now. So now we want to look for buys, right? Now, market just immediately broke above this resistance level that was highlighted by the indicator, and the indicator gave us a buy signal right here. So assuming we took a buy, we can hold the trade up all the way up here, right? So it depends on you and how long you hold your trades for, but I usually take 1:1.5 for my risk to rewards. Okay, so now yet again another buy trade. The market took out this level and came back and rejected with these bullish candles, leaving us with two buying signals here, meaning this is a very, very strong buy probability trade. So this is a high probability trade, and you could take this trade, it'll benefit you. Same thing here, level broke, retested, and bought. As long as you know where the market is going, if you see a series of higher highs and higher lows, you want to be looking for buys. When you see a series of lower highs and lower lows, you want to be looking for sells. So right now, this neckline here has been taken out, and now this is a clear indication that we are now in a bearish market. Clearly, the market also took these levels down, right? So we want to be looking now for sells until we see what a market shift which happened here. Right now, the market took out these highs, bam, with this big move, and the market came back and the indicator said, hey, buy here. And boom, the market went up, came back again and still bought, right? So this indicator is going to give us some great trades. Now, let's look at how we can get the maximum result or the maximum out of this indicator. So that way, we are going to avoid taking some really, really bad trades, and we are going to increase our profitability. So to filter out bad signals, we are going to need another indicator to help us do that. So first of all, let us go into our indicator settings here and type relative strength, moving average simple, right? You can search here, moving average simple. So we need the simple moving average. Click on this one once. Then we exit here. So as you can see here, our moving average has been added to our chart. Now let's go ahead and make some changes. So click on it. You can click on it, right click and go to settings. So over here, go to inputs, change the length to 200. So we need a 200 moving average, right? And make sure it's on smooth, right? Smooth moving average. Now go to style and you can change this to white. Depends on the colors of your chart. So you can change it the way you want. Then change the thickness to 2x. Perfect. Now click on OK. We have a 200 moving average, 200 smooth moving average running on this chart right now. So you guys know the basis of this thing, and this is a very, very smart and easy way to trade, right? So first off, what you want to do is you want to make sure that price is below this moving average before taking a sell, and price should be above the moving average before you're taking a buy from the indicator. So right now, as you can see on my screen, price gave us a sell signal below this moving average here, and you can see price drop a little, pull back up, and still continue dropping. Now, let me give you guys an example of another trade that you could have taken using this model. So you can see here, immediately price broke above this indicator and broke above this swing point here. Price came back, retested it on top of this indicator and went up, right? Then another buy signal appeared when the price is above the indicator. Of course, you can buy. But once price is below it, you cannot buy below the indicator. You can only buy above the indicator and sell below the indicator. That is understandable enough, right? Let me show you guys another example. You can see here a high was formed, price broke above the indicator, and this high came back for a retest here and played out pretty well. So let me take you guys through a few examples so that we can see how this thing works in real time. Okay, guys, let's trade. So first thing you can notice is that the price is trending below the 200 moving average. And now we have a sell signal. So pay attention, guys. We have a low that was formed and price just broke below that low here. So once we've seen the sell signal activated, the next thing we want to check is where are we on the price, right? Firstly, we know the price is trending downwards. Secondly, we are below the moving average right now. So a sell here will make a lot of sense. So I'll quickly take a sell on the candle that produced a signal. Put your stop loss on the moving average. If it's close to it, you can put it on the moving average. If it's not, oh, sorry, I took the wrong tool, guys. Okay, sell, stop loss. I'll keep it on the moving average because it's close. And I'll take 1:1.5. 1:1.5 is perfect for strategies like this. Quick scalp and we're out of the market. Okay, that was a very, very fast trade. Now, let's just keep playing price and see where price goes. So keep your eyes sharp and open for signals, okay? So every time a signal appears, we repeat the same process. Okay, the signal just appeared back here. The price was playing too fast for me to catch it. So these levels here was long formed, but the indicator was doing its calculations and waiting for a perfect time to strike. So the market just came back here and retested these areas and rejected here with a huge candle, leaving us with a sell signal. So we have a sell signal and the price is below this moving average. Now let's go ahead and take a sell trade. Sell trade right here, stop loss just above it. And we aim for 1:1.5. Okay, that trade was successful. Let's keep playing price. Keep your eyes open for indications for buys or sells. Okay, guys, we had another sell here, as you can see. But this one played too fast. I did not see it. But as you can see, it's very, very successful. Price below the moving average, sell signal, and we sell. That easy. Okay, now guys, price just broke above this. So we are looking for what? We're looking for buys. Now we're looking for buy trades because the price is above the moving average. Okay, we have a buy signal here that just issued. First off, we are above the moving average. Second, we have a buy signal. Okay, so we take our trade on the next candle that forms. Stop loss just below the R. I'm aiming for 1:1.5. Okay, so as you can see, that was an incredible trade. Now, we keep playing price and let's take another buy signal before we end this video. Okay, the price is currently trending below. It's kind of going in between. Okay, it's below now. So any sell signal we are going to take. Okay, it just keeps going. Anyways, guys, I just made my point and I hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and test this out. Don't take this strategy and trade it straight up, okay? Do your own math, do your own testing. Gather your results, look at the analytics. If it's looking good and you feel like this is something you can work with, go ahead and work with it. The only appreciation that you can show me now is to like and subscribe to this video. See you guys on my next video.